Hey guys, welcome back to your girl, and today we are going to make some wax melt dangles. Aren't these cute? I don't know if anyone has ever done these. I honestly can't say that I've seen them. I personally haven't seen them, but I just think that they're so cute. So these are the wax melts that I got from, look at this one, adorbs, that I got from Crafty. And I've played around with the colors in here. I also played around with the colors that I got from them previously. Also using the stamps. So like this is the Happy Mail one. I used the old one, oops. The butterfly there. And then I have a bunch of other ones that I was just playing around. I don't know where my pens are. I have been rearranging and trying to like move things around, and I don't even know where my pens are that I had got. So I can't finish like coloring them to make them pop and stand out, but regardless, they are still pretty. And but I just thought it'd be a cute idea to like do a dangle. Now I was gonna do, I mean I still probably am, like, you know, add adhesive backing, so then that way they can just be like an embellishment they can take off and put it on to something, you know, whatever. But I just thought these are super cute too, to add to, you know, the spine of a book or anything like that. So again, I have these. We are going to go ahead and make one today. Make sure that you are subscribed to your girl if you're not already. I would hate for you to miss out on my future uploads. And then also make sure you hit that like button to help your girl out. And I have my looper. I have my other jewelry tools. I have my beads. I got my pins. Grab your supplies. Let's go. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I have my handy dandy pokey tool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to keep this like even as possible. Like if you want to grab a ruler and do all that extra stuff, go right ahead. I'm going to eyeball it and call it a day. And I am going to poke. Now I am poking literally right before my little hump here. So I want to make sure I get it lined up with my butterfly. And I'm trying to get it even enough. So you can do a top or bottom. I mean, you can go ahead and do just the top, and you can have this be your main piece at the bottom. I'm doing the top and bottom, so you can kind of go ahead and get that look there. And I am going to play with my reds. So I'll probably have this one be my base. I already have beads on that one. So I am going to grab my jump ring and open her up. And this is going to be my bottom one, and I'm just going to put in. The fun thing about this is that you can build this however you want to build it. Now I am going to do it roughly like this one with the additional pieces on there. So let me see what do it. Now this is my red pinks box if you can't tell. Ooh, I'll do the heart. Do the heart for one. And let's see. Or maybe I should have the heart be like my top piece and then do like this one. Yeah, we'll do that. So I'm gonna do my eye pen with the hole. And oops. I'm gonna place that at the bottom. Then I'm gonna take my, oh my goodness, stay put. I'm gonna take my looper and I'm gonna place it right in there, close it up. It creates my loop. Now when I have things that are relatively like this good size, I save it instead of grabbing a whole new pen. You'll see why. Now I'm gonna grab my jump ring again. And so this is gonna go here. All right. And then I'm grabbing this, I'm recycling it. I'm gonna create my loop. Now, of course, you can do it by hand just by using your little needle nose thing. I don't know the technical terms. I just know what what use I get out of them. That's all I know. But I mean, why waste? Recycle. Now I might not be able to make the loop with my looper, but I'm going to go ahead and oops. Create my little loopity loop there. Boom. So now I'm gonna open this up, and then I'm gonna grab one of my little lobster claws. I'm gonna put that in first. And then I just need one more jump ring. And this is going to be my bottom one. Making sure my loop is actually closed all the way. And ta-da! All done. Easy as pie. You can build onto it. You can add things on the side. Like if you want to do a chain and have things going down. Like I said, if you want this to be your base, you don't even have to do it like that. But I just thought it was a cute idea. I like it. I like how it came out. And I hope you guys did too. If you go ahead and give it a try, make sure you tag me on the gram. Share the video for all your friends as well. Like I said, these are using the wax melts, and all my pieces came from Crafty. I'll have the links down below in the description box for you. Also, a coupon code for you to save money on your next purchase. And if you don't have the wax stuff, remember you can go ahead and utilize what you got. They do make those wax melt stickers, so if that's what you want to use to give yourself some little bit of practice, go for it. I mean, the world is your oyster, okay? Okay, so thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you are well, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.